Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the features and specifications of two popular dashcams, the GKU dashcam and the 2.5K dashcam. Both cameras offer unique features that cater to different needs, and in this video, we will highlight their strengths and weaknesses to help you make an informed choice. The GKU dashcam offers an impressive 4K resolution for the front camera, providing crystal clear footage, while the rear camera records in 1080p. In contrast, the 2.5K dashcam features a 2.5K front camera and 1440p for both the rear and interior cameras. This difference in resolution may impact the quality of the recorded footage, especially in critical situations. The GKU dashcam is equipped with advanced features such as 5 GHz Wi-Fi, app control, and enhanced night vision capabilities, making it user-friendly and efficient for data transfer. On the other hand, the 2.5K dashcam lacks app integration, but includes a built-in display for easy viewing, which can be beneficial for users who prefer a direct interface. When it comes to pricing, the GKU dashcam is priced at $109, which reflects its higher resolution and advanced features. In contrast, the 2.5K dashcam is more budget-friendly at $79, making it an attractive option for those looking for a reliable dashcam without breaking the bank. In conclusion, both dashcams offer unique advantages depending on your needs. The GKU dashcam excels in resolution and features, while the 2.5K dashcam provides a more affordable option with essential functionalities. We hope this comparison helps you make a better decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.